Hello everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dice roll simulation using Python. It's quite simple, and if you get anything out of this video, I just ask that you hit the subscribe button. When I upload, I don't publish to subscribers. I just need the 1,000 subscribers to monetize this channel. I'm just trying to get to 1,000. I think I'm at like 100 right now. So if you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. Let's get right into this. Okay, so the only library we're going to need is the random library. So to start, we're going to import random. Okay, and then once we import random, we're going to create our dice. Okay, dice 1, die 1, dice 2, die 2. And then from there, we're going to create a dice roll function. We are going to basically store in die 1 def roll underscore dice. Whoops. In die 1 we store random int, and then from what to what. So how many sides are on a dice? Well, in dice you can only roll one side. You can only get one result, and the result's going to be between the numbers of 1 and 6. So now, when we roll the dice, we're going to return, we're going to store these variables, some integer between 1 and 6. Now, the next part of our function is we're going to determine if the dice are the same number. Okay, and we're going to say if die underscore 1 double equals die underscore 2, what happens? Well, we declare a variable called samenum equals true, else samenum equals false. Be sure to make those words capitalized. Otherwise, this won't work. And then we return samenum. So what this function will do is it requires no inputs, and it returns this samenum. Okay, and then let's you know what we can do? Let's print these numbers: die underscore 1, die underscore 2, and we're going to print roll dice. So this, what this will do is it'll print out this Boolean phrase, and also as the simulation is running, it's going to tell us what our dice are, so we can just double check it. So I just clicked the play button here. Die number 1 was 5, die number 6 was false, and it returned samenum equals false. Oh, look at that. Die number 1 is 3, die number 2 is 3, and then it returned true. Right? So that's how you create a simple dice roll experiment in under 20 lines of code. If you get anything out of this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and maybe send me a love letter to my P.O. box. That would also help as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.